Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the Suunto 7 smartwatch. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos just to remember the things I've bought in the past, and in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, what's packaging like. That's why I like doing these videos. So this is not my first experience with Suunto. I've had one of their watches before. I actually had their Core, which is kind of an ABC, altimeter, barometer, thermometer watch. It's not a smartwatch. This is my first experience with one of their smartwatches. So let's take a look at everything we get. Nice hard cardboard box. Now this is just going to be an unboxing video. Once I figure out how to use the watch, get it charged, get it going, I'll be sure and include a link to some videos at the end of this to show you how to use some of the features. So it looks like a warranty book, getting started manual, and then a safety manual. Shouldn't be too much to this. A lot of these smartwatches, there's not a whole lot to the packaging. They don't do any fancy boxes or anything like that. I've had some Garmin's. They're the same way. Let's go ahead. I'll just look at the charge cord that comes with. Standard USB charge cord. It is magnetic. And then the watch itself. Now, one of the first things I'll be doing is probably ordering a new strap for this watch. I'll show you here in a second. Now, some of you might like this. It is a 24mm strap, but it is cloth. It's a real soft cloth. And I'm just more of a silicone rubber strap guy, so I'll probably change out the strap on it. The buckle does say Suunto on it. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that or not. Strap is nice and light if you're into that kind of thing. It is a quick release strap, so you've got some little pins here that you can simply slide over and the strap simply pops out. Very easy to change. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Hope it helps.